There are three ways that we can insert CSS so that it styles our HTML document. And in this video, I want to look at the first way, and that is using an inline style. And to show you this, I'm going to just delete the default live weave content, and I'm going to make these H1, close H1. Okay, so we've got an H1 header here with the text "Hello Weaver," and what I want to do is style the headline, this H1 headline, and we do that by, in this case, inserting inline CSS. And to do that, what we do is we actually go into the H1 header code and we start typing style. Let's see if it's giving us the option there. No, it's not. Doesn't matter. Style equals, and you can see it's already put in the double quotes for me, because the styles that we want to use for the headline need to go inside those double quotes, and then this style will be applied to this entire H1 header. So let's just do something very simple. I'm going to put color colon blue, and you can see that the headline has now changed to blue. And this declaration here, color equals blue, should be followed by a semicolon. Now, when you have multiple declarations inside these quotes, they should all be separated by a semicolon. The last item, or the last declaration between the quotes, doesn't have to have the semicolon, but it's good to put it there just to make sure that in the future we don't end up with bugs by adding more stuff and we've forgotten to add the semicolon. So when you put several declarations inside style quotes, make sure each one has finished with a semicolon. Let's just add in another declaration here, and I'm putting a space, but the white space isn't important in CSS. It's really just there to help us see things a little clearer. Now you can see the background color has now changed to yellow. I haven't put the semicolon in, but let's put it in just to make sure. So we've got two declarations inside the style quotes. This is called an inline style, simply because it's in line with what we're trying to style. If I was to put another H1 header in here, let's just put second header, you can see this one isn't styled by this inline style, because the inline style only refers to the H1 header that it is in line with. Okay, I've added in a second, third and fourth header just to show you the limitations, or rather the advantage of an inline style. Let's create a style for the H1 headers on the page, and I'm going to say color red. Now you can see second header, third header and fourth header have all been styled red, whereas the inline style overrides that and makes it blue with a yellow background, because the inline style for that header specifies blue color, yellow background. So the inline style can override the main style for a page. If you've got a single headline or a single bit of a paragraph that you want to change in some way, then this type of inline styling can help you do that. Okay, so that's the first type of CSS, inline styles.